If you're a real estate agent looking for the best way to get qualified leads from Facebook and Instagram, this is a video you're not going to want to miss. Hey, my name is Lowell Brown. I run a digital marketing agency in Toronto called Going Social, and I work with a lot of real estate agents on their social media marketing, their Facebook and Instagram ads, and their Google search ads. And one of the most popular questions that I get, one of the most frequently asked questions is, what is the best way to get leads from Facebook and Instagram, and what is the best advertising type to use to get leads on Facebook and Instagram? I'm going to answer that, but before I do, I want to tease a little special offer I have that's at the end of this video. So you got to watch all the way to the end. I am going to be announcing a special offer and you're not going to want to miss it. Okay. So before we get to that, I'm going to tell you two of my favorite types of Facebook ads. The first one is a lead form ad. And well, that sounds pretty obvious, right? The point of the ad is to help you get leads. It's a really simple Facebook ad that you can set up where you can have a video or image ad that leads to an actual form people fill out right there within the app. So whether they're on desktop or on mobile, instead of taking a visitor to your website, you're keeping them on Facebook within the app. There's much less clicks to actually go through. And when someone sees the ad, it's really easy for them to input their name, their email, and their phone number and send that contact lead to you. Now, there are a few caveats with any form of advertising, but especially these style of ads on the platform. And there are things that can improve your success rate with collecting these leads. And that's what the offer that I have at the end of this video is all about. So stay tuned for that. But before I get to that offer, I want to share my second favorite ad type for real estate agents. And that is a carousel ad style. Now, a carousel ad is an ad where instead of having one image or one video, you're showing a series of pictures, or it could be even a couple videos in one ad. So it allows somebody to stay more engaged, to swipe and interact more with your ad, and show them more about what you're offering. Now, I've used this in a few different ways for different realtors. You could, as an example, be showing houses you've sold. So a series of your solds, and that boosts up your reputation as being a successful realtor. You could also use this style of ad to showcase different listings that you have. So if you have a property for sale, instead of showing just one picture of, let's say, the outside of the home, or just one short video of drone footage of that home, you could actually show a series, almost like a gallery of pictures highlighting the most popular or unique items about that property. It'll help showcase it more. It'll help spark more interest. And that's what gets people to act on these ads. You want to stand out. You want to create some engagement on the ad, some interactivity for people to act. Now, another way you could use a carousel ad is if you have a promotion or a giveaway or an offer. That's one way where you can use more than one image to showcase what it's about or what you're doing. You could also use this kind of thing for an open house to share more information about when that open house is. Now, with both of these types of ads, there are certain things that you can do when setting up and preparing for these ads that'll greatly increase the success rate you have with your marketing on Facebook and Instagram. And what do I mean by success rate? Well, I mean being able to spend less and get better results from those ads. And if you want to find out how to do that, all you have to do is click the link below in the description of this video. I'm creating a special mini course on how to set up these two types of Facebook and Instagram ads and the best ways to do them. I'm going to share with you some tips on how to set up these ads in Ads Manager and Facebook, the best settings for the best results. These are things that are going to save you a lot of time, a lot of frustration, and a lot of testing with your budget. So these are super valuable tips. The other thing is I'm going to offer you tips and advice on the creative, how to set up the actual text copy of the ad so you get more engagement, so you get more clicks on the ad. What are the best visuals? How to create those visuals. So if you want to learn all of these to save yourself some time, to ensure that you're spending less with your advertising and getting better results, all you have to do is click the link below. Now I'm opening the doors to this offer for beta testers on this mini course that I'm creating. So if you click that link right now, you'll get early access to this mini course while I build it. I'm basically doing this so that I can get beta testers to help me improve this course. I want to make sure it's great. I want to make sure that I'm covering it in as easy to follow and that it is giving you best results. So make sure to click the link below, and also make sure to like and subscribe below. That way you'll get notified the next time I launch a video here on YouTube. Once again, my name is Lowell Brown from Going Social, where we take the complicated out of digital and social media marketing and make things a little bit more easy and simple for you. I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure to sign up below for that early access to the Facebook marketing course for realtors. Thank you. See you soon, guys.